Right, so today my plan is to install pretty much all my differential upgrades. First thing is I picked up a fully assembled differential from a 350 with Central 20 3.916 gearing. Currently my manual G37, the final drive for that is a 3.69, and I wanted to get some shorter gears, so I figured this would be a good compromise, even though I did want the 4.08, but the 3.9 would still do. Because this came from a 350, from what I understand, the stub axles needs to be swapped out to work, because the this gear, I think it's called the tone ring gears, but they're pretty much for the sensors, and the 350/G37s are different from the 370 and G37s. So all I gotta do is swap out these with my current ones. Since this is also a viscous, the stub axles should work from what I've read. So swapping the whole differential, getting this painted, swapping the cover for the Z1, also doing the Z1 polyurethane bushings. So these here are some of the stuff I'm gonna put in. Z1 diff cover, it's got the nice fins. This is the inside, real clean. Then the kit comes with the sealant, the gasket maker, breathing tube, Loctite. It's got that stud. And then I'm also gonna do subframe collars. So you got the two big ones and the two smaller ones. Four smaller ones. And this is what comes in the kit when you order the subframe collars. Also doing the Raceworks differential brace. So the main brace, and this is the version that works with the Z1 diff cover, and the supplied hardware. And these are the longer bolts used here. So the way how that works is this goes into the lower mount there, and then that mount there. So it goes like that, and then this part bolts to the chassis or the subframe. So it would look like that with these for here.